Let's say that this is a typical New Zealand family. And this is a typical New Zealand earthquake. Let's see how this family reacts. Now, this guy's broken all the rules.
Daryl, get back here!
Never run outside. I mean, you're much safer under there. Now, that's more like it. Panic won't help the situation. So no matter how hard it may seem, be calm. Now, these little ones have done the right thing. It's a good, strong table. There's plenty of protection under here. And luckily for this family, their home is protected as well. Because they've got fire insurance, they've got earthquake insurance.
EQC Earthquake Insurance.
Come on, sweetheart.
Every year in New Zealand, we experience more than 1,000 earthquakes. I mean, most of them we don't even feel. But every now and then, a big one comes along. This looks tragic, and it is, but it may be comforting to know that New Zealand leads the world in earthquake research and preparedness, so that when the shaking stops, there's someone to help pick up the pieces. And because these people have fire insurance, they also have earthquake insurance.
EQC Earthquake Insurance. If you've got fire insurance, you've got earthquake insurance. EQC.